context.
Hey Rahul, what is this man? The AWS bill.
Oh, so
You
much.
use AI for everything, development, everything. Help me to fix this.
Bro, Zapier.
Oh, is it?
Funny
What's that?
related, yeah. So this is literally the missing piece in AI. We use AI literally in this. I use AI for creating the presentation. 100x uses it for content creation. AI can be used anywhere. Well, but not one place they are not using it. That's infrastructure. So that is what we will be looking into today. DevOps, agent AI, all that stuff, what we have created. So mainly this is a big untapped market, $2.8 billion market, even that can shock. Anyway, so what we will be looking into this, and that is what we will be zapping the gap of. Okay, so this is already a big problem. Okay, that's more. Anyway, so this is what happens when you open AWS. I, to be honest, gets really sick, like really dizzy when I look at this. I don't know what to click and all. When I want to host my projects, it's too complicated. But what if there was a ChatGPT like UI for this? That is what we have created. Imagine going in and they're like, bro, deploy this GitHub repo link for my project. It doesn't. You can do literally anything. Control your AWS with a chat. Now, it will not do it in the most expensive way, don't worry. It will do it in the most cheapest way and the most performance-oriented way. So it will not lag also. It will not take 100 years to get your response or your product. Now, this is not with AWS. It is with Google Cloud, Azure, on-premise, and there's a lot of stuff I can't remember that will tell you. So there's a lot of other clouds too. It's like multi-cloud. Anyway, so okay, so this is not just DevOps, there is SecOps, FinOps and all the ops in this too. So that is also available, more on that later. So now another thing is that we will not give you the most expensive option. We will try to give you, because we don't want to, why we give you the most? That's not how we earn money. So from Azure, AWS, we will see, okay, Azure is cheaper for his product to be deployed on. It takes time. So this is literally not just for customers, but for business enterprises as well. More on that too later. Now, this also saves you $100,000 a month. I'm not just saying numbers, I showed later. A little boring, but still. As you can see, other than ours, it also saves around 26% too. You can read it, you can take pictures, I don't know, too boring stuff. Anyway, so what Zapier does is, it saves around $8,500 a month. And it is around 260 hours a month to it saves. You can look at the graph, don't worry, I'm not just blacking numbers. We worked on this yesterday. So anyway, we are not just B2C, but we are also B2B. So we are already working with companies like Cloud, right? Okay, so we are already working with a company known as CloudDrive, and they are earning around 400 monthly AWS, they are on 18 AWS accounts and all. And guess what? We are saving them $100,000 a month because of our tool. Because they are already working on, I was saving that much just because 30% saving, remember? So that's why we have partners too in this as well. And other than customers. Now we also have a pretty good team, you can check it out. I personally build AI tools, robots and stuff, and we have people from Microsoft. We are a pretty good team, let's say that you guys are the judge of. Anyway, I'm too good. This is a video and stuff, but he'll give you a live demo, can you check it out?
So let's do a demo.
Yes. And the company doesn't want us to show the demo.
So,
one second. Can we show the demo? Oh, the time. Custard. Okay, what next? What?
So this is the landing page. So I'm going to the dashboard.
Yes.
And once you go to the dashboard, I'm going to the connection page. So we already have an AWS account connected, and now we already have this GCP.
Microsoft Azure, DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, Netlify, GitHub, GitLab, Docker, all the stuff that you can imagine.
You have the API being connected. That's how it is. And now if you go to the analytics, you have the. So there are a lot of tools, right? You go to different platforms. You have a single screen where you can see all the usage.
One dashboard for everything, so you don't have to open 50 different tabs for 50 different projects. One thing for everything, save money, everything, how much storage you have, all in one place there is.
So if you go to connected services, it will show you what all services have been using. If you go down, you'll see it. It will be like, agnostic. It can be Amazon, GCP will comes in one section.
So if you have an error also, it tells you. So that's so sick.
And now we do have an AI assistant built for us to, ask questions.
Obviously, it's an AI product. So.
Yeah, so we do have some questions where we have asked to list all S3 buckets. It's going to list all the buckets. And
it creates the S3 buckets, it deletes the S3 buckets. Basically, you don't have to go through like Git tab and all. It does it from your hand, deployment, your code project, give it to GitHub link and doing all that from your.
And the beauty, most people hate this because documentation is the most boring part. We also have a documentation agent. So you deploy it, it will create the documentation, and also you can connect your internal document. It will build on that, and it will build saved on that, right?
Yes, and also let them also check it out. They should not listen to what we are saying, right? So you guys can scan this QR code. You guys can check it out your own, join the videos and all.
And Rahul, this is not our product, right? We do have a flagship product, right?
Yes. So okay, again, thank you. It's okay. So you can scan this QR code and check it out on your own. Now we have something crazy planned for the future, right?
Yes.
And that is not monetizing it.
That's called we will announce or announce?
We won't announce.
Okay, it's going to be Zap Cloud.
Zap Cloud, yes. So you don't have to go to AWS there for building this, that, and all.
So
we'll give you the billing, GDPR and all that and that.
We'll do the billing, we'll give you the agent. That's it. We will manage the GCP or all this infrastructure.
Now that's it. Any doubts from everyone?
Questions? Any questions, guys? Thank you.
Speakers and there are no notes. Okay, there is.
Yeah, two questions. How exactly are you reducing cloud costs? That's A. And B is, given that you've been working on this for 21 months, 21 sort of days, how are you saving a client 100K monthly?
So, can you go to that slide? Slide, which shows that.
Okay.
So, this is the real bill which comes with 34,000 USD. So, what we have done is that right now we have more focus on AWS. So, we have used CloudFormation, and this code we have built an agent using Mastrap, and we are using OpenRouter for multiple APIs to convert into code. That is how it is done. And this is what, if you look at the EC2 instance, you can see there are a lot of automated idle instance detection, dynamic status of price sizing. That is where you save the cost. So if you go to all the sections, we have mentioned what exactly it does, and that's how we are saving the cost.
Yes.
And if you look at the support part, it is like able to save you 15% because it takes a lot of time to prompt them, ask the questions. But this just doesn't give you the loss. And it fixes all. And the beauty is that we will be adding a lot of enterprise tools, Kubernetes, Red Hat.
So you don't need to even use AWS and stuff like that.
Great presentation, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys.